Hello everyone, we are reaching the end of our rehearsal period for Jekyll and Hyde now, and looking forward to going into tech rehearsals and into our first few performances. So today I'm going to be asking the cast, how has this been going? What's been some highlights? So hello everybody.
Hello.
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 And crew, in fact. Hello folks down there. So yeah, what has been, if you had like one standout memory, one favourite moment during this rehearsal process? Stumped everyone.
I loved day one. Not that I haven't loved it all,
It's all
I
been
have. But when we did that loose run of the play, so you just got us on our feet and said, be free with it, just make discoveries and let's just do the text and be totally free and have just total artistic freedom with it. Say free a million times more, shall I? And it was just nice in that moment to just see the decisions of both Jordan and Matt in those moments, and just trying to build the kind of chemistry, especially between the double act.
Yeah.
And I just felt that was a really nice moment because I realised I was with a great cast and a great director.
Okay. Because I let you get on with it.
Yeah.
Do what you want.
No.
For me, it's got to be Eddie Elvis.
Eddie Elvis.
Reading it came completely left field from the text, so I didn't have a clue what you were going to do with it, but I'm so glad you've allowed me to do that. And I just love trying to make Georgia just corpse.
It's easily done.
Great.
For me, my favourite moment is finally putting the book down and just being like, right, I know my lines now, and that eventually will happen. And then you just got the freedom to do what you want, and then that's when the hard work is done as well. Hard work, and then it's a bit easier. You can have more fun with it. You can really just explore with it, and that's something that happens on the tour as well.
Well, I guess from my side is seeing it from the beginning with the loose run that we had on day one to what is being done now, and seeing that even in the space of 2 weeks, if that, they've managed to like level and elevate from the beginning. And I'm only excited to see what 3 months can do for them. Having done only in a week's period of time being able to elevate so much, 3 months will be a very interesting time. So good luck to you guys. Thank you. And enjoy.
Well, for me, it's very exciting to see everything come together, and especially when Jack was in with the music and seeing the movement and the transitions, and then seeing how elements like costume change, and yeah, it's really exciting to see the whole picture coming to a final performance. Yeah.
And then thinking, looking forward, as Samantha was saying, like 3 months down the line, what are you really looking forward to on tour? So tell me kind of one thing that you hope will happen in performance. What are you excited about?
Working with the audience. I guess like everything changes and everything elevates when you have an audience with you, and not just having them there in the presence in the room, but how we're gonna engage with them and get them involved, and how that's gonna feel and alter the performance maybe.
Yeah.
I can't wait to terrify the audience. Yeah.
With Eddie Elvis or with
I mean, you just got to look at
This
them,
is
haven't
before
you?
I get on stage.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, just my normal face. Yeah.
I think it's mainly just about getting the audience now. That is something that it changes with every audience as well. Some audiences find some bits funny, and then some they don't find that funny as well. So it's just all about playing and just having as much fun as possible.
I'm really looking forward to coming back and seeing it in a school and seeing how kind of I'm going to leave it with you like a kind of little baby chick just hatched out of its egg, and then coming back and seeing how you make it fly months from now. It's going to be really exciting.
What's your chicken?
It's a beautiful eagle.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, eagle.
Yes.
It's got to be eagle.
Great. So thank you very much for coming on some of this journey with us. I hope the videos have been interesting, given a bit of insight into our process, and good luck on tour, everybody.